Sublime Text is an advanced text editor designed for coding, markup, and writing. Renowned for its elegant interface, swift performance, and robust features, it appeals to both novice and experienced developers alike. Created by John Skinner and launched in 2008, Sublime Text has gained popularity among programmers due to its user-friendly nature, speed, and extensive options for customization. A notable aspect of Sublime Text is its remarkable customization potential. Users can personalize the editor to suit their needs by adding plugins, establishing custom key bindings, and adjusting the settings file. The package control feature simplifies the process of installing and managing plugins, thereby enhancing the editor's capabilities. Whether you require a specific syntax highlighter or a comprehensive linting tool, Sublime Text offers a wide array of plugins to meet your requirements. The performance and speed of Sublime Text are among its key strengths. It is engineered to be lightweight and responsive, even when working with large files and intricate code bases. This efficiency is a result of its minimal memory usage and optimized architecture. Developers value Sublime Text for its ability to swiftly open and edit files without delay, making it an excellent option for projects of any scale. Another significant feature that distinguishes Sublime Text is its multiple selections capability. This function allows users to implement several changes simultaneously, greatly accelerating the editing process. For instance, you can select multiple occurrences of a variable name and rename them all at once. Coupled with the split editing feature, this functionality enables users to view and modify code side by side in various columns or rows, further boosting productivity. Go-to-anything is a hallmark feature of Sublime Text, facilitating rapid navigation to files, symbols, and lines within a project. By pressing Ctrl+P or Command+P on macOS, users can quickly access any file